Hey, I'm Johnny and this is Brian. We're out here on the beach and we're going to talk about getting stuck.
Well, anybody can get stuck, but I think what we're going to talk about today is getting unstuck.
Yeah, sometimes a nasty looking situation can be easy. Again, it's just having the right equipment like your Maxtrax and your shovels and keeping a level head. It's always key to have the proper tools. We got a shovel, so we got to dig ourselves out a little bit.
We got our Maxtrax here. So Maxtrax, really simple tool, nice thing to have. It's just a traction board. So you get stuck like this, there's no wood around, there's nothing to put under the tire. This can save you.
A lot of people panic when they get stuck. It's like, we got to get out quick, we got to get out. You're not going anywhere, all right, we're stuck. So take your time, assess the situation, and keep a level head. All right, we bared down a little bit. Now we're gonna make sure we're in four-wheel drive. Should drive right out of this thing.
It's always good too to have somebody out spotting you, just making sure no one's around the vehicle, no one's in the way. It's possible those Maxtrax can even shoot out, so you just want to make sure no one's behind you. Take your time, always be safe.
Get them both turning at the same time.
Out we go.
And right out.